in a small, quiet village nestled among rolling green hills, lived an old woman named Ilara. Her farm wasn't the biggest, but it was the most vibrant and bountiful in the entire valley. One summer, her grandson, Leo, came to visit. Hay was a bright young man, but his heart was heavy with frustration. "Grandma," he sighed one morning, watching her tend to her perfect rows of vegetables, "I feel so stuck. I have big dreams, but I never seem to make any progress. I work hard for a few days, then I lose motivation and everything falls apart." "How do you do all this, day in and day out?" Alara smiled, wiping her hands on her apron. She pointed to a small, unassuming stream that trickled at the edge of her property. "See that stream, Leo?" she asked. "It's not a mighty river. It doesn't roar or carve canyons. But look over there." She pointed further down, where the stream had smoothly and patiently worn away a path through solid rock, creating a gentle, beautiful channel. "That stream," she continued, "didn't cut through that rock with its power, but with its persistence. It shows up every single day. Some days it's a little stronger after a rain. Other days it's just a trickle in the sun, but it never stops. It just keeps flowing." Leo looked from the stream to his grandmother's weathered, capable hands. He thought about her daily routine, waking with the sun, tending the animals, weeding the garden, mending the fences. She wasn't performing grand, heroic acts. She was simply showing up every single day. "Discipline, my dear," Ilara said softly, "isn't about being perfect or having endless motivation. It's not about huge, dramatic efforts. It's about being like that stream. It's the quiet promise you make to yourself to just keep flowing, one small drop at a time, one day at a time. It's about planting a single seed, even when you don't feel like it. For time, those single seeds, those small drops, they create a harvest. They carve through stone." Leo spent the rest of the summer on the farm, not trying to change his life overnight, but learning to be like the stream. He woke up early with his grandmother. He helped with one small task, then another. Some days were hard, but he just kept flowing. When he returned to the city, he took the lesson of the stream with him. He realized that success wasn't a destination he had to sprint to, but a path he could create patiently and persistently every single day. So, if you ever feel stuck, remember the old granny and her stream. Don't worry about carving the whole canyon at once. Just focus on being present today. Just keep flowing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.